will close this early if we start breaking below. If price decide to hold, we stand in, we taking it up, because this is a wick right here. So let's see what gold want to do. Come on, gold. I know you want to go up. I know you want to go up.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? We are back with another trading video. Today is just going to be a live trade video, man. As y'all know, we don't touch, at the moment, we don't touch nothing but gold, you feel me? So I'm just kind of looking at what I see right now. I'm about to calculate some contracts that I'm about to put on this if price decides to hold in this area. And yeah, man, we just gonna keep it going. That's all I got to say. So as always, we looking for a nice little win today, man. Let's go down to the 1 hour, or down, let's go up to the 1 hour. And let's see, we still got this major gap below right here. Scared that got me. Like, what was that? Yeah, so we got a 1 hour demand down here that we're a lot closer to that we wasn't last time on that previous video. So my eye is on this now because we are literally about to tap. It's just what it's looking like. So I'm just looking for some confluence on the 5 and the 15 minute, which we might get if we break this low. And we're just gonna look for a tap of the zone. We already got a nice little trend line. Honestly, we may respect this demand though, because we had aggressive buying, and boom, we wicked it. We also didn't take out this high, but we got to see how we respect this zone. This is just a little too clean, and we're back in this 5 minute area. So unless we get a break on a 5 minute below this, then I'm just gonna be looking to actually take this up, because yeah, man. But I feel like we want to push down here, so we gotta be patient with this. We're gonna wait and see. I feel like we want to go down. Hey, this our area right here. We trying to see some reactions from. So let's find out. Yeah, like this volume we got coming out of this area, and then we just slowly made our way back down. I'm like, shoot, price could hold. This is a 5 and a 15 minute demand right here. So let's just see. So we didn't have a breaker structure right here. We did have a small little minor break. But once again, price is just here right now. So I'm just being careful because I don't want to get in this too early. It's only 2 o'clock right now.
Order filled.
All right, we hopping in this, man. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do, man. Our stop loss gonna be, that's way too big, bro. But we got a gap up here, so let's see if we want to tap. I got in so late, but hey, man, It's all right. I got it super late. All right, so let's see if price holds at this minor resistance or support that it just created on the 1 minute. You see that little bounce right there? So this line I put right here is support, so I want to see if we respect or break below that. That's going to be my confirmation to kind of hold this trade a little bit, because we do have, you know, some highs that in this little area right here that we would love to take out. But it's all depending on what the market tells us in this area. So let's just see. I'm looking to take what the market gives me. I'm gonna use my 15-minute as a confluence because we've rejected this area once, and now we did it yet again. So I would love to get a break above here on the 15-minute, and we also have a gap above. So typically, like stuff like this is where I would be really targeting. But if the market don't want to do that, then I will cut this loss early, just because we still have that 1 hour gap below. So last time I didn't take my $400 win, and today, I don't know, I may do it today. But you gotta know when, you know, it gets tricky, man. But I don't know, I might scale this down a little bit. TP1, this right here. So we're just gonna see. Let's get another big push out of this area, and then we'll hold to the top of here. But we immediately in profit right now. We're not trying to give too much back, so a break of this structure would be beautiful right here. A break of this candle. But we up right now. So I will post my profits at the end of this, and if I will close this, if we don't break above this EMA right here, if we're not, price is not moving correct off of it, then we out of here. But I feel like we want to push up here if we can hold. So let's just see, man. And on the 1 minute, I need to see this live. We take out this. Let me just get ready, because I had to save myself last week, trying to get some profits back, because I didn't take profit when I was supposed to. So let's just keep an eye on this on the 1 minute. Okay. I will close this early if we start breaking below. If price decide to hold, we stand in, we taking it up, because this is a wick right here. So let's see what gold want to do. Come on, gold. I know you want to go up. I know you want to go up.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go.
To walk in my greatness, to step in my greatness. Yeah.